In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for fundamental analysis. These tips will help you go from beginner to pro using this method. Before we begin, it's important to understand what fundamental analysis is. Fundamental analysis is a method used to determine whether a stock is worth buying by evaluating how strong and profitable a company is. It focuses on the company's true value based on its business performance and financial health. Generally, fundamental analysis is applied for long-term investments. Copy the prompt from description. Come back to ChatGPT and paste it here. In the first line of your prompt, please mention the stock name along with the stock exchange for which you want the answer. I will enter NVDA and NASDAQ as stock exchanges. Here, you can see that ChatGPT has generated a report based on sources. When you click here, you can view all the websites ChatGPT analyzed before generating this output. First, we have the company's financial statement. Here, you can see the revenue growth compared to the previous quarter. Next, you can see the company's EPS, earnings per share. A higher EPS indicates greater profitability. I will create another video to explain important fundamental ratios in detail. ChatGPT also provides the debt-to-equity ratio, indicates whether a company is debt-free, and offers cash flow analysis. It indicates whether the company is financially stable. The next things to note are valuation metrics. Here, we have what are called the P/E and P/B ratios. The P/E ratio, or price-to-earnings ratio, helps investors assess whether they are paying a fair price for a stock. You can compare this ratio with competing companies to determine whether the company is overpriced or not. A high P/E ratio suggests that a stock may be overpriced, but it can also indicate strong growth potential. Next, the P/B ratio will help you determine whether a company's price is high or low compared to its book value. You can also compare the ratio with that of competing companies, and if it is high, it suggests that investors believe the stock's value will increase in the future. Here we have the dividend given by the company last year. Again, you can compare it with other competing companies and decide whether it is reasonable or not. You can also assess the company's growth potential by examining industry trends, innovation, R&D, and the strength of its management team. In the risk analysis section, you can explore how global economic trends affect company performance, as well as review recent news and potential catalysts. Finally, we present the company's investment outlook. Here, two key aspects must be noted: the bullish and the bearish signals. These indicate the overall nature of the stock and are important factors in finalizing an investment decision. Now you've learned how to use ChatGPT for fundamental stock analysis. For more videos like this, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and press the like button.